Madam Teralangso. My name is Rupali Tumongpi. I'm from Bolong Tomaji. I'm currently pursuing my master's degree from Assam University, Difu campus, and I work as a part-time job at local news channel. And yes, I'm a person who believes in self-love. And first step of self-love is to believe in yourself and to trust yourself to make a good decision. So here I am today to prove not only for others, but especially to myself, whatever I put my heart and mind to, I can achieve it. Thank you, Teralangso. First of all, good evening to the judges and all present here audience. Myself, I'm Ronti, and I'm 17 years old, and I'm currently studying in 11th standard, Difu Don Bosco Higher Secondary, and my hobbies are dancing, singing, swimming, and cooking. And my aim in life to become is Miss Universe, athlete, swimming, and a more successful businesswoman. And I want to be an inspiring athlete because since in Karbi Anglong I saw it's liking of sports also, so I want to grow up. And as I want to be a Miss Universe because I want to help those of ladies. So that's why I choose this profession as my aim in life. Thank you so much. Good afternoon to one all present here, respected judges. My name is Romelu Chakuti and I'm from Teralangso. I'm pursuing degree 5th semester in Eastern Karbi Anglong College, and my hobbies are singing, dancing, and gardening. And my aim in life is to become a supermodel. Thank you. And a pleasant good afternoon to all the respected organizers, and of course all the beautiful judges, and of course to the participants, and of course all the beautiful people present over here today. I will go with my name first. My name is Ratunja Indikatorpi, and I'm from Hidiki Borjan. Right now I'm pursuing BSc 5th semester in Prab Jubilee College in Harlangso. And talking about my aim, I'm aiming to become a teacher, and of course, like talking about my personality, I'm a little bit introverted, and that's the main reason why I'm here today, to explore more about myself and to learn and experience different things. So thank you so much. That's all about me. Hi, good afternoon everyone. Hope you are doing good. My name is Radhika Bharti. I'm from Bangalore, and I'm studying HS second year at Difu Government College. And my hobbies are acting and gardening. And my aim in life to become a great modeler. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good afternoon everyone, and good afternoon beautiful judges, sir and miss. My name is Alice Chawanpi. I am from Difu Lamso. My hobbies is dancing and singing, and my aim is becoming advocate, lawyer. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all respected judges and to all present here. My name is Premika Daulagufu. I am 21 years old, currently pursuing BAC 5th semester at Lambdin College. I love dancing, traveling, and I want to travel all over my life. And I am a very self-motivated person, also a fun-loving person. Thank you.
Kita vote.
And I basically
Kita vote. Kita vote. मुझे कौन सा?
and currently living in Jifu. My age is 20 years old and I'm pursuing my become first semester in Jifu Government College. My aim is to become a teacher. My hobbies are singing and cooking. My goal in life is to achieve something for myself, to make my mother's eyes sparkle with satisfaction when she sees me. I want her to walk around being proud of me. I want to give that person so much who gave me the world. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening.
Afternoon judges and each one of you here. My name is Priya Tirunvi. I'm 20 years old. I'm basically from West Bianglong, Hong Kong, but presently living here in Rongli, Ward number 6. And my qualification is I'm pursuing my graduation in Difu Government College in 5th standard. And about my hobbies, I love dancing, singing, and acting. But I'm more into dancing. That because I love and something that motivates me. And last but not the least, my aim in life is to become a professional dancer as well as a choreographer. Thank you.
Francis, aduk away pasta. Pusar lapen. Jurpi jurpo doa dengan kisah Ili sami putima jurpi hilkan kardon padur iglo kardon. Ili chana Indian lagi. Excel squash year. Lagi dah dipugal sekolah semasa di kali jumbo. Ili ning kah? Lagi. Lupa cari. Indun kita lapen. Fashion ni banyak sak menghandu. Lapen ini dimang lagi. Ini bangsa pisik menghandu. Lapen ini. Kau nam kedo di sini je, lagi, macam mana? Ini karbi, isu aja. Tuan tak ter abdan nanti, lapan, lahok sami dunanti, kita sami cepat itu nanti, lapan, unian sami unberji, ini ngaklong pen, cepat itu nanti, unit hai tu unji, lapan, kita hai tu berji. Pardon.
Judges, hello audience and everyone present here. Thank you so much for coming here to cheer us up. My name is Rachel Tolta. I'm in my mid-semester pursuing my bachelor's degree at St. Anthony's College. My hobbies include traveling, exploring new places, playing table tennis, socializing, and gardening. And if I'm to describe my characteristic, I'm an ambivert person. I like socializing and I'm very sensitive, emotional, and fun-loving and very joyful to be with. And when it's about my work, I'm really enthusiastic. And my aim in life is to, I'm aspiring to be an IAS officer. I hope I can do it. And lastly, all the former title winners, I want to say something that you really inspired me to be someone. And I'm really very nervous person. I'm putting myself in this uncomfortable situation just to grow and be confident in myself. So you are really an inspiration to me, especially Jintajin and Miss Nirmala Tulanti. I've been watching your interview and thank you so much for inspiring me. Thank you so much.
My name is Ritika Turanti. I came from Philippines. I'm studying the fourth semester this year at the Bakasan College of Bakasan. And I'm 19 years old. It's like a wish come true to be here, like seeing you all. Like I used to see you all like in a traveling, then you say this is you. I am Esther Garanti, age of 19, and I am from Bicol itself. And my hobbies are I love singing, drawing, and I love being of my own creativity. Thank you.
Everyone present here. My name is Rasina Katharpi and I am from Jepalangso. I am currently pursuing my BSc 5th semester at ST Dora College, Guwahati. My hobby is dancing, cooking, and gardening. Thank you so much. A very good afternoon to my respected judges and all the people present here. My name is Chinese Hindi and I am from Harabat, Karyana. I'm 19 years old and I have cleared my HS this year from RJC, and my hobbies are dancing, painting and singing, and I also like to travel, so this is my favorite place, and also I look forward for my family holidays. And I want to become a successful and independent woman in whatever field I choose further.
Good afternoon, respected judges and everyone present here. My name is Lily Bonto BP and I am from Langhin, and I'm currently pursuing my BCom degree in Difu, Don Bosco College, and I love to play music, guitar, and I love to listen to music, and I love gardening. And my aim in life is to become a musician. Thank you.
And I'm currently living in Agam. And hobbies include dancing and reading. And I believe in the powers of dreams. And I'm really truly inspired sitting in front of me with Sirjadin and with Nirmala Jaranti. I'm truly inspired by them. Thank you.
Taralangso. Good evening, respected judges and those who are present here. Coming from a very poor family, in my family I have 5 sisters. People will think that we are not compared to men. We are less than. So, for those reasons, I am here because I believe in hard work. I believe in God, I believe in myself. This is Saripatarapi from a very beautiful place, Dongmuka, Samtaro village. Right now I am doing
And a very warm good afternoon to respected judges and one and all present out here. My name is Mahendra Rampi, 17 years of age. I am born and raised in here, studying at Karbi Anglong. Currently pursuing my higher secondary from Pranav Degree College in the stream of arts, and what I love is traveling and modeling, and aim to become a successful model in my life. Thank you so much. And be confident in your own plan. Hi, good afternoon everyone, respected judges, and to my colleagues. My name is Lankan Siti, and I am 19 years old, currently pursuing my BCom career at Jeffrey Government College. And my aim in life is to become a brand manager and also to get up in my own career. That's why I'm here, today and in front of you all guys. And aside from that, I love dancing, listening music, and traveling. And today I'm very thankful.
good afternoon to everyone all present here, respected judges and all the contestants. First of all, I would like to say thank you for Kazirong Hangpi Memorial Talent Hunt Society for giving me this opportunity to stand here in front of everyone. My name is Urmila Turonpi. I am from Tarangso, Gifu. My hobby is playing basketball. My aim in life is to become a lawyer.